Hello everyone, it's Yusuf, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make halwa, a Persian dessert that's usually served on special occasions when you gather to dine with family. For this recipe, you will need flour, water, sugar, butter, rosewater, saffron, and cardamom powder. First, we will need to crush the saffron. After that, we can steep it in hot water, just like you would with tea. Next, let's sift the flour. Sifting breaks up lumps to make it easier to toast and mix. Now, we can toast the flour on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Stir it constantly to prevent burning. It will turn golden brown when it's ready. Time to add the butter. Fold it into the flour evenly as it melts. Dissolve the sugar in hot water and add the rose water while it's still hot. Next, add the steeped saffron from earlier as well as some cardamom. For these ingredients, check the international aisle at the grocery store or ask a Persian friend if they know any good places to shop. Add the wet mixture into the dry and fold until it mixes into dough. Then transfer the dough to a plate and use a spoon to flatten and smooth it into a disc shape. You can use the spoon to make a scallop pattern and add pistachios for flair. This is a great holiday treat and you can be creative with the presentation. Thank you so much for watching everyone. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing so you can learn even more healthy and delicious Persian recipes with me. See you next time!